today's video, magpo-focus lang tayo sa pag-identify ng rational expression. So ano ba yung rational expression? And how can we know if the expression is a rational or not? So let us discuss the definition of rational expression. So when we say rational expression, it is simply a quotient of two polynomials. Okay, so in other words, it is a fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials and represented as p of x over q of x, where q of x should not be equal to 0. So bakit bawal maging 0 ang ating denominator? So we all know that if we have a given, kung fraction man siya or rational expression, basta ang kanyang denominator ay 0, that is undefined. Okay, now discuss natin ano-ano ba yung sample ng rational expression. Okay, so let us have these given exercises para ma-identify natin ano-ano ba yung mga given na kino-consider natin as rational and ano-ano naman yung hindi. Okay, so for number 1, we have 6 over x minus 1. So kung i-observe natin ang ating numerator and yung ating denominator which is a polynomial, we can consider this as rational since wala naman tayong 0 sa denominator and radical sa both parts of our given. So, ibig sabihin, number 1 is rational. Okay? Next. For our number 2, we have x plus y raised to negative 3 over 3x squared. Okay, so is it a rational or not? Okay, observe that meron tayong exponent which is negative 3. So, ibig sabihin nun, number 2 is not a rational expression. So, kung aalalahanin natin yung definition kanina, ang sabi doon, numerator and denominator or phi of x over q of x are both polynomials. So, itong negative 3, we cannot consider that as polynomial. So, dyan pa lang, our given in number 2 is not a rational expression. Okay, next. Let us have number 3. If we have x plus 1 over y minus y, so i-observe natin, x plus 1 and y minus y are both polynomials. But take note, in our given, in denominator, take note na pwede pa siyang masimplify. And if we're going to simplify, since same ang ating variable, magiging x plus 1 over 0 siya. So, ano yung sabi kanina sa ating definition? Ang sabi doon, p of x over q of x, where q of x should not be equal to 0. Kasi magkakaroon tayo doon ng undefined. So, ibig sabihin, number 3 is not a rational expression. Okay? So, let us have number 4. Okay, in number 4, we have square root of x over 2x plus 1. Okay, so this time, kitang-kita na kaagad natin na siya ay not a rational expression. So, ulitin ko, sabi doon, numerator and denominator should be consist of polynomials. So, meron tayong radical dito sa numerator, kaya automatic na ang ating number 4 ay not rational expression na kaagad. Okay? So, I hope malinaw yon. Last example, we have number 5. In our given number 5, we have radical sign. We have square root of 4x squared over x plus y. But if we're going to observe, so tingnan natin, yung ating given sa numerator ay meron pang simplest form. So bago natin ilagay kung siya ba ay rational expression o hindi, isimplify muna natin siya kasi number or the numerical coefficient which is 4 and we have x squared, pwede ba natin siyang isimplify at kunin ang kanyang square root. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pa nating sabihin na ang value ng ating numerator ay 2x since ang square root ng 4x squared ay 2x and then this one is x plus y. So, meaning, number 5 is rational. Okay? So, yun lang ang kailangan ating tandaan. Una, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Pangalawa, so kung observe yung ginagawa natin, or ginawa natin, the exponent should not be negative. Kasi kapag meron tayo negative, that is not a polynomial and that is not automatically rational expression. Then next, ang ating radical sign, tingnan natin kung siya ba ay masisimplify pa. Pero kung hindi na, not rational expression since meron tayong radical. Okay, so yun lang guys for today. I hope malinaw na kung ano ang rational expression dahil sa ating mga susunod na tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin how to simplify rational expression. So, thank you guys for watching.